top 10 houseplants for health and clean air. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more HowExpert top 10 videos in the future. Moving on, let's talk about the HowExpert top 10 houseplants for health and clean air. Number 10. Golden crane palm is number 10 on the list due to its ability to filter the air and act as a natural cooler. This plant is precisely what it sounds like, a miniature palm tree ideal for indoor living spaces. What a beautiful addition to a room, with its widespread branches that will capture the attention of any onlooker. Bonus points to this plant for being a natural cooler by restoring moisture into the air. Also, it filters out formaldehyde found within carpet fibers. Water the plant every 5 to 7 days, allowing the soil to dry slightly between watering. Make sure to place it in an area with low light. Please note that this palm tree is a near-threatened breed, so do Mother Nature a favor and put a few indoors to reap the benefits. Number 9. Aglaonema, or more commonly known as the Chinese evergreen, is number 9 on the list because of its reputation for increasing productivity. This plant has large leaves peppered with light and dark green, which is the perfect size to enhance the beauty of the space. However, the best placement for this plant is near a desk. Not only does it improve air quality, but it can also assist in increasing productivity. Place within a peak working environment and yield the results of improved health offered by this Chinese evergreen. Just keep the soil moist with easy access to sunlight and watch this baby grow. Number 8. A weeping fig, or better known as a ficus benjamin, is number 8 due to its ability to provide additional oxygen. The best description for this plant is a small indoor potted tree. The slender trunk has branches that arch away from a leafy center full of vibrant green color tones. A weeping fig requires maintenance by pruning it to an appropriate height of 3 to 6 feet. The small tree not only purifies the air, but also provides additional oxygen. For optimal growth, it only requires a minimum of 6 hours of indirect sunlight with moist soil. Number 7. Devil's ivy is the lucky number 7 for its ability to rid the air of any pesky air pollutants. However, don't let the name fool you. Similar to a common ivy, this plant is known for cleansing the air of contaminants such as benzene and formaldehyde. Crazy, right? This plant is luscious and proliferates with little care. However, please be extra cautious with any pets living indoors, for it does have toxic attributes if consumed. To keep all furry friends out of harm's way, this plant would thrive from a hanging planter located in front of a window. Number 6. Sword fern is number 6 because of its ability to provide additional humidity and removing toxins. This plant is literally in every rom-com movie where the girl next door loves to read, eat vegan food, and ferns cover every surface of her eclectic apartment. Yeah, it's a common plant. But guess what? This leafy plant improves humidity. No joke. So if you suffer from dry skin, add a few ferns to the living room. Oh, it also removes common household toxins, so it's a win-win for everyone. Who doesn't want moisturized skin and clean air? Number 5. Spider plant stands at number 5 on the list because it is non-toxic and it produces oxygen that purifies the air. This plant is very similar to its name, with long, light green leaves that perfectly arch downward. A cluster of similar-looking leaves on a smaller scale drape from the center of the plant. It looks like a spider with multiple legs. Not only does this plant produce oxygen to purify the air, but it's also considered non-toxic. So if any pets or children freely roam the house, this plant is perfect. Number 4. Common ivy is number 4, not only because of its gorgeous ornamental tributes, but also because of its ability to remove airborne toxins. This plant wraps beautifully around any tall feature, such as a bookshelf or a ladder. These plants can either be deep, rich green with similar leaves to those of grapes. Other species have lighter, almost white color tone to the leaves and stems. Therefore, this plant is the perfect addition to every living space and can grow upwards when adequately trained. Plus, it purifies the air by removing airborne toxins. Ivy grows well in either full sun exposure or light shade with moist, not soaking, soil. Number 3. Peace lily is number 3 on this list due to its reputation for cleaning the air. These plants can be sent as sympathy flowers or a get-well gift. The leaves are lush with a deep green color, and white blossoms appear with the right care and attention. Another natural household plant to nurture. Take care of it, and the plant will return the favor. Not only is it a beautiful plant to liven up the place, but it also cleans the air. This plant requires water when the soil is dry with indirect sunlight. A word to the wise, though, do not overwater this plant. Yes, one can still kill a plant with too much water. Always check the soil first. Number 2. Aloe vera is number 2 because of its various health benefits, such as healing attributes to many burns. It is commonly associated with sunburns. When applied appropriately, the plant can help in relieving the intensity of the injury, along with assisting in the healing process of the damaged skin. Aloe vera is a succulent, which means lots of sunlight with little watering required. The plant can thrive for up to 3 weeks in between watering. Just make sure to soak the roots in soil thoroughly. Need a quick gift idea for a friend? Aloe vera is easy to take and offset, like a little plant baby separate from the mother, main plant, that can be repotted and given away. In fact, what a great housewarming gift to the neighbor who just moved in next door. Number 1. The number 1 plant for the top 10 houseplants for health and clean air is, drumroll please, snake plant, because of its reputation for purifying the air. This plant sounds exactly as the name, tall green leaves that point upward, striking an undeniable similarity to a snake. Imagine a snake literally slithering upwards out of the pot. Creepy to picture, but true. This plant is ideal for either a bedroom or an office space for its air purification qualities. While sleeping, the plant does its magical thing called photosynthesis. So rest assured that while catching some Z's at night, you're breathing the freshest air possible, thanks to the snake plant. Bonus points to the plant for easy upkeep with watering once the soil is dry and placed where it is in indirect sunlight. Looking to purify the air more naturally? Snake plant is the way to go. If you liked our video, be sure to click like and subscribe for more HowExpert Top 10 videos on all topics from A to Z in the future. Also, let us know what other topics you want us to do a HowExpert Top 10 video in the future in the comments below. Thank you. Have an amazing day and take care. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.